Alright, today we're going to take the alternator off my truck. I got to disconnect the batteries and everything. We're going to change the belt. The belt, I don't know if you can see it, but it don't look too healthy. It looks like it's deteriorated and old. It's cracked. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there, you can kind of see it there. Well, we're changing the alternator. We're going to check the bearings on the idle pulleys, check the water pump, check the idle pulley and see if it springs back okay. You can see it's leaking oil there. It's the valve covers leaking there. I guess it's not a big deal, but check the throttle body. It looks very clean in there actually. It don't look too bad. A little dirty. The power steering pump, we're gonna check all that stuff. I see the AC belt way down there. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. Let's see if I don't know where you can see it at there. Let's see if she'll focus on there. You can kind of see it down there, that little belt. See, it's really cracked. See it there? That's shot, but in order to get that, you have to take something off the engine or something to get to it. So I'm not going to mess with that. But I see the power steering pump cap don't look good. The pump probably itself is no good, but you can see the belt. Look at that. It don't look good. So anyway, the lights are flashing and stuff. I'm assuming it's the alternator because it's very noisy. It smells funny. The battery connections, I'm going to check all that stuff, make sure the battery's good. And we're supposed to get another bad storm, so I thought, well, this would be a good opportunity to do another video on this beast, whatever you want to call it. So, nice lights from Menards, mint. Listen to this. Alternator bearings, it's slacking it. Wiggles up and down. Dry bearing and rubbing on the stators. Here's my problem. Mint. So I got my new alternator, but the cord charge and whatever was 140 bucks, but I know that's high. I don't know, that's not a whatever brand, but it has a lifetime free warranty. Mint. New belt, not too expensive. New idle pulley because that was bad. Might as well do them all at once because the belt on there was shit and the idle pulley was really noisy and the alternator was bad, so that's a lot better, that alternator. So let's get all that stuff on and hopefully that alternator will work, because sometimes brand new doesn't always work either. There's the idle pulley. Bearings loud. Can't really hear it, but you can see the bearings bad. It's might as well replace that while I'm at it for 20 bucks. Instead of leave you stranded. Get the new one together here. And we'll get the alternator on and dry belt and mint. Okay, idle pulley's on. Okay. Got that on. Power steering pump, I don't know how you can tell it's bad. When you turn it, it's not very noisy. Water pump's not loose, it's good. And that pulley over there is good, the idle pulley. Or the pulley that springs and tensions, everything's good on there. I'm going to clean these mating surfaces on here because sometimes the alternator needs to ground too. And go from there. Hopefully we won't get a bad alternator after all that work, but you just don't know. Okay, I cleaned off the ends. I can't see too good. I got the alternator on. Now we just have to plug this into here, just like so. Make sure it's connected tight, and this thing has to go on the back of here. Make sure your battery is disconnected for beginners. If you, well, actually you should go to mechanic if you're beginners, but just go and put that on there like that, and tighten the screw up in the back. It's pretty simple to put this alternator on. I mean, any idiot could do it if they wanted to, but make sure like I said, you don't wreck it or anything. These things are very, very fragile because they're just made out of casts. So let's get that put on, get the belt on, everything else on. Let's see if she blows up. Mint. Okay, I got the belt on, and anybody would say that this thing is the easiest belt to put on. Actually, it kinda is if you can get it looped the right way and get it on the harmonic balancer just right and get your fingers in there in that little spot with the tensioner and get it on there and looped around the alternator and underneath there. But I got it on there. We're gonna put the fan shell back on. We're gonna put everything back together, maybe, but we're gonna first start it up, probably see if something flies off, see if a belt flies off, and get the batteries connected and hopefully be mint. We'll find out, won't we? Okay, we got everything together. Let's open the door and start her up and see if she blows up. Alright. Charging. Quiet. Hell of a lot quieter. Well, shouldn't make a difference, I hope. Let's shut her off here. It's charging. All right. No, I don't think it's charging. It's a little bit warm. All right. Mint. Save yourself on labor. Always do that.